Hi friends, I wanted to share this idea with you. I went to a friend's missionary homecoming, one of my daughter's friends that she's known for years, and they were giving out these water bottles, and she made her own tags for them, and I thought that was so cute. I never would have thought about making tags for water bottles for whatever your event is. And she also had these in bigger form on like the ketchup and the relish salsa containers. And then she had big chips and bread containers, and she had bigger labels on there. And so I was going to share how she made the label. It could be any label, anything you want, with the darker background and the white letters to show up. I mean, you could print your own labels in any color you wanted and put them on there. So she just measured how many would fit on a piece of paper, and then she typed it up and put the font that she wanted. And then to get the black color, she printed it on white with the lettering font that she wanted, and then she took it to a office supply store and had them reverse print it, reverse copy it. And so the black was then white and the white was then black. And I thought that was such a cute idea. But I kept this to just show you, and I asked her if it was okay if I put it on there and make a video about it. And she said that was a great idea. So I've never seen that black. I was like, I asked her, I said, oh my gosh, how did you do that? Did you print the black on your computer? Did it like go through a ton of ink? And she says, no, it was really cheap. I just printed it up on white. She was able to get 6 water bottle labels on a piece of paper. And then the bigger ones she did, depending on what size, she did 3 different sizes. So she did these ones for water bottles, and then she did a medium-sized ones for like the salsa and ketchup and stuff. And then she did bigger ones she had just went to the dollar store or Walmart, $2 or $3, depending. Everything was, she wanted red. The color she chose was red. So, and then she just typed everything up and bought cheap plastic frames from the dollar store and typed. So like she did a taco salad bar. So she had hard shell tacos in one container, and then 3 different kinds of soft shell taco, the soft shell tacos in 3 different containers. And she just put some tissue in the bottom and then put the bags in there. And then she had rice and 3 different types of meat. So she had taco meat and sweet pork and shredded chicken. So they could do like a salad, chicken salad, shredded chicken salad type of thing, or shredded pork. But then they also had the taco stuff. And then she had a big tub of, like you'd normally put like water bottles in. But she had that full of fresh cut lettuce that she had ordered from a growing place. I didn't even know that you could do that, but she orders it. So it's like literally they cut it fresh. They grow it and they cut it fresh for you and then sell it by the bag. And it's not that much more than going to like Costco or something. And I didn't realize that places would do that. But so they do. So she had a big bag of that, or container of that, and then she had other red containers holding like the toppings, and then she had just made them cute by putting little labels on all of them, and then she had little frames saying pick a meat, pick your favorite this, pick your favorite topping, and super cute. And then she had these all in a metal like a bucket that you'd put ice and water bottles in, but she just put the water bottles without the ice. However, she could have put ice in it, because what she did was she took packing tape, and the entire thing is covered in plastic. So you can see the tape ends right there, and she just overlapped them and taped it. So these were just all facing forward in that big metal bucket, and they were all facing forward. It was very adorable. It was so cute. And I should know this because this woman's amazing anyway, but I thought it was so super cute that she had that so that everybody could enjoy that. Anyway, just wanted to share that because I would never have thought of that. She works with kids, and so she has lots of fun ideas, but I wanted to share that because I thought it was really creative. So you could do any label for any water bottle. You could do it just with using tape and going to the copy store And that makes it stand out more. So like if you wanted, you know, reverse red, I'm guessing they could probably do that too. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, but it sure stands out, that white on the black. So anyway, there's that. So check out my blog. I'm going to put up pictures of the tables and all the different little signs and everything. I thought it was a really cute idea. So if you want to see how she had it set up, and she was super organized. She set up the night before, and she had sticky notes saying salsa in this bowl, like she stuck it in the bowl. Olives here, and then she had everything cut up in bags in the fridge. So literally, because she knew ahead of time, I've helped her several times with events, so she knew just to let me know where everything went. I just got there early and took everything out and just poured it where she had it labeled. It was awesome. She was really organized, and it went very smoothly. It was a lot. It was very nice that she had it very organized. So I'll post that on my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com. And if you go to the bottom of the homepage and type in water bottle labels, up will come this post, and then you can see the pictures for the rest of the event if you want to do something similar. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a very blessed day.